Hi guys, in this video we are going to see SSC JE Surveying PYQs. Question number 1. The fundamental principle of surveying is to? The answer is option B, work from whole to part. Second question. Surveying which deals with natural and artificial features of an area is? The answer is option C, topographical surveying. Next question. Which among the following is a primary classification of surveying? The answer is option B, plane and geodetic. Next question. Surveying in which the curvature of the earth is not taken into account is called? The answer is option B, plane surveying. Next question. The branch of surveying in which curvature of earth is considered is? The answer is option B, geodetic surveying. Next question. In India, means sea level MSL is considered at? The answer is option B, Mumbai. Next question. A map is a? The answer is option A, drawing to a small scale. Next question. The scale of a plane surveying is generally? The answer is option A. Next question. Which of the following scale is the most accurate? The answer is option B, diagonal scale. Next question. The error which occurs due to imperfect instrument construction is called? The answer is option B, instrumental error. Next question. Random errors in surveying follow which law? The answer is option B, law of probability. Next question. Great Trigonometrical Survey of India was started in? The answer is option B, 1802. Next question. Surveying which is carried out for water bodies is called? The answer is option C, hydrographic surveying. Next question. The type of surveying used for fixing boundaries of fields, estates and other properties is? The answer is option A, cadastral surveying. Next question. In plane surveying, the area covered is usually less than? The answer is option B, 250 square kilometers. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel for more videos.